our shed down. My great-grandfather built it. We're going to replace it with the Red Iron building. And we rented mini traco, and we're going to tear it down. We're going to tear the building down. We're going to get all the wood. We're going to get all the tin off of the roof, and we're going to take the tin and the metal to the scrap yard, and then we're going to burn the rest. And whatever's left, we're going to bury it in a deep hole. Things have changed a little since then, and we're gonna tear it down because none of our equipment will fit in there. And we're gonna get a bigger one, so our equipment will fit in the shed.
I never thought this might come to my great-grandpa's building, but I can't wait to get the new one. It's pretty crazy what's going on. I've never seen a building like this before. If anybody needs to rent or use an excavator, a Bobcat's one of the strongest ones you could use, probably.
Looks like a Bobcat's been here or something. Oh, there it is. We're about to get the building torn down. We have to be careful so we don't hit the shop, and then we can light the fire.
The building's nearly gone, and that looks a lot better. And one blow got pushed down. Crazy. But it looks like a wall of a baseball field. Except that part. That part does. That looks funny. The light hanging on right there. Like saying, save me!
The building's on the ground, and we're going to get the dozer, and we're going to wad it up, and we're going to burn it. And then all the metal we're going to take to the scrap yard.
Rest in peace, my old friend. We're going to take the Bobcat back to the rental place.
We're going to ratchet these ratchet binders so we can bring the Bobcat back to the rental place.
Well, this is the rest of the building. Hopefully we can get the rest of it picked up today. Hot fire. If this is the end of our video. We got the building tore down and burning. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want. In our next video, we're going to put up our cattle setup. Bye.